last lecture, complete the work calculation. How to measure the work when constant forces acts and variable forces acts. So in constant force is acting on a body, then work done measured using dot product. But this is the third method, calculate the work done from graphical method. Graph used to how to measure the work. But very simple it is. So in one single direction we considered, single direction of force acting on single direction, and displacement. So force is single direction with variable force is increases. Force take it on y-axis, increases it is. But displacement take it on x-axis. So suppose starting the displacement is x1 and after certain displacement initially x1 related force it is. After it is related like this is the graph. So the graph is, this is x2. So this is write as final position, that is x2. But this is the graph it is. So force is vary, but single direction. But this condition, how much work is done? The graph between force and displacement, it is indicates like it is a curved shape, but this is indicates small displacement dx. Dx displacement related. So this is work done, that is dw. Where dw equals to f into dx. But total work done, we want from x1 to x2, this is the displacement limits. Then related work done, both sides applying the integration of dw. Integration of f into dx, but displacements limitations from x1 to x2. So this is integration of dw, that is nothing but work done. W equals to integration of f into dx. So the limits from x1 to x2. The area of f and x, area of fx. So this is write as, so integration of dw, integration of x1 to x2, f into dx. So w equals to integration of x1 to x2, f into dx. Then area of fs gives the work done. Area of f and s, this is the fs graph it is. Same as pressure and volume graph. Using pressure and volume graph, that is also pressure and volume graph. Here also work done is write as, when pressure is changes, so pressure is changes related volume, that means here just press the gas, its volume continuously decreases. Suppose pressure increases, then volume decreases it is. So initially volume is more, so finally volume is decreases. So this is V1 volume, this is V2 volume. Volume continuously decreases, that means when, so this is pressure increases, so initially more pressure, so that condition volume is V1. When pressure increases, initially pressure ऐसा increase हो गया, volume continuously decreases, that means initially volume V1. When pressure is increased, then volume is increased. So this is the volume decreases from V1 to V2. Pressure increases, then volume decreases. So this condition, the pressure and volume graph, this is pressure take it on y-axis, volume take it on x-axis. This condition, the graph is like this is the shape of this graph. Then here also work done is write as dw is write as, so f into dx, f write as force into area into dx. So dw equals to p into a into dx. So it is write as p into a into dx, that is write as dv. So this is dW. Integration on both sides. Integration of dW equals to integration of PdV. So this is W equals to P into integration of. So this is from V1 to V2 volume P into dV. This is the work done in this case. This condition work done equals to integration of P into dV. This is graphical method. So the formulas. Area of this graph, area of the graph indicates work done. In the given problem, we want the work done. Work done in this condition, the given one graph is given, the graph shape is given. But what is the work done? The initial displacements are distances of 30 meter and 20 meter. 30 meter up to here, what is the work done? Up to 20 meter, what is the work done? First we calculate work done up to 30 meter. 30 meter that work done it is. So work done equals to up to 30 meter distance. Up to 30 meter distance the work done. We using that the area of this graph. Area is indicates area of Fs graph is work done. So area of Fs graph, that is nothing but work done. Here this is one triangle, area of this triangle, and next it is one rectangle. So this is one triangle and another one it is one rectangular it is, and next it is one trapezium. That means this is one triangle plus a rectangle, one triangle and with one rectangle it is. So triangle and rectangle, and plus this is one rectangle it is. So area of this is write as, so this is 5 base and height is 10. So this is 10 is the base is 10, height also 10. This is in this triangle, in this triangle the height is, this is 10 it is, this is up to 20, that means this is 10. Okay, this is a height is 10 and base is 5. So base 5, height 10. And again this is rectangle, base is 5. That means one side is 5 and a height is 10. And after this is one rectangle, base is 10 and a height is 20 it is. So this is the total area of this area of the Fs graph. That area, that means work up to 30 meter distance. Distance up to 30 meter. What is the work done? That value becomes work up to 30 meter. Work up to 30 meter. So this condition work done becomes half base into height of 5 into 10 plus this is 10 into 10 plus half 5 into 10 plus this is 10 into 5 plus this is 20 into 10. So this is the work done up to 30 meter. Up to 20 means here. So this is not present. Up to 20 meter this is not present. Up to 30 meter we want. This value is 25 plus this is 100. This is 25. This is 50 plus this is 200. Total work done up to this is 30 meter, its value becomes 400 meter. 400 meter up to 30 meter distance. Up to 20 meter distance, then work done is up to 20 meter distance the work done. This is not present up to 20 meter. Up to this is, that is we consider, that is only 200 meter. Last part is not considered 200 meter. Okay, in this problem, an object of mass is given, is moving along x-axis such that its position with time. A relation is given, x square equals to 16t cube, x in meter and time in seconds. Work done as a function of time can be shown. Work and time related graph. What is the graph which is the correct? Work and time graph we want. Just the equation is, the function is given x square equals to 16t cube whole power x square. This is x value becomes, x is right as, this value becomes 4t power 3 by 2. The square is changed to this side, 16 root, that is 4, and square here, this is t power 3 by 2. X square value this, x value is this, x equals to 4t power 3 by 2. You know that here velocity is write as dx upon dt. This is the differentiation of displacement, that is indicates velocity. But we calculate the velocity v equals to dx by dt. Here the differentiation 4 into differentiation of t power 3 by 2. So this is write as, so 3 by 2 t power 3 by 2 minus 1 n x power n minus 1 into dt by dt, that is 1. We know that velocity value v is write as velocity equals to, so this is 2 4 cut ho gaya, so this is 6 into t power 3 by 2 minus 1 t power half it is. So it is velocity write as 6t power half, 6 root t. This is velocity. We calculate acceleration because we want work. Work write as force into displacement. Work done is write as force into displacement. Force write as mass into acceleration into displacement. You know the displacement value we know. This is the displacement, yes. So displacement we know. We want the acceleration. So displacement, the derivation of displacement indicates velocity. Velocity derivation is, that is acceleration, dv upon dt. It is nothing but acceleration, it is differentiation of velocity, that is acceleration. It is write as differentiation of 6 into differentiation of t power half, half into t power half minus 1. So this is acceleration. Acceleration is write as 3 into t power minus half. This is acceleration. It is. You know that work done equals to mass into acceleration into displacement. It is write as m into acceleration is write as 3t power minus half and displacement is write as, so this is 4t power 3 by 2. Then the final it is 12m t power minus half plus 3 by 2. Minus half plus 3 by 2, its value equals to, so it is write as t power 1. Work done is equals to 12 into mass is given 4 kg. It is 48 t it is. This is work and time relation. Work proportional to time, directly proportional it is. When time increases, work also increases. The correct option is this is. So work and time relation, work done is proportional to t. So the correct graph is W proportional to t. So this is the equation. This is one question is given one problem. A particle of mass 1 kg moving along straight line. Its velocity and time graph is shown. This is velocity, take it on y-axis, time take it on x-axis, and work done by the resultant all forces acting on the particle from 0 to 8 seconds. Work done from 0 to 8 seconds, we want the work done. So in this case, work done is write as, work is write as force into displacement, where you know that dW equals to F into dx or F into ds it is. So ds displacement, it is write as dW equals to m into a into ds. Acceleration is write as dv upon dt into ds it is. dW, that is write as m into dv by dt, this is acceleration into ds, but it is write as dw equals to m into ds upon dt into dv, just the change kiya yahan pe. So dw, okay, it is write as dw equals to m into dv by dt into ds, where ds upon dt into dv. This is nothing but velocity, m into v into dv. This is work done. But we want the work done w is integration on both sides, integration of dw, integration of mv into dv. Velocity initially vi, velocity finally vf. Vi initial velocity, vf final velocity. Here integration of p power 1 dv, integration of x power n dx. So integration of x power n into dx, it is write as x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Using this formula, integration of v power 1 dv, it is write as m into v power 1 plus 1, v square upon 2. But limitations are v initial and v final. This is 0 to w work. So that means w is equals to half into m into v final square, v final square minus v initial square. It is write as half m into vf square minus half m into vi square. This is the work done value. Work done equals to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy, that is nothing but work done. This is called work energy theorem. In this work energy theorem, we are using final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, that is nothing but work done. Just in this equation, initially some kinetic energy is there, finally some kinetic energy is there. Final kinetic energy, work done equals to final kinetic energy of m is 1 kg into final velocity is 5 square minus initial of m into minus m is write as 1 kg into initial is minus 5 whole square. This value equals to half m into v square, that means here 25 by 2 minus 25 upon 2. This is minus 5 square, that is 25. This value equals to work done becomes, this value becomes 0. That means change in kinetic energy, this is Ke final minus Ke initial. This is nothing but work done. Work done equals to Ke final minus Ke initial. This is work done becomes 0. This is called work energy theorem. Work and energy between the relation. This is half mv square, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. That is nothing but work done it is. So this is the problem. The work done becomes 0 is the answer. The concept of energy. Work is completed and next concept is energy. Energy is nothing but, this is the capacity of doing work is called energy. Capacity of doing work. Is called energy. It is. There are many types of energy. In mechanical energy we consider only two types of energies here. One is kinetic energy, another one is potential energy. Kinetic energy and potential energy, these are the two types of mechanical energies. So kinetic energy, energy possessed by body having certain velocity, body in motion, that condition, that body having energy is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is, this is when the body in motion, the energy is kinetic energy. It is write as half mv square. Potential energy, energy possessed by body having certain position or the body having certain height, that condition, that energy is potential energy with respect to surface of earth. It is with respect to surface of earth. With respect to surface of earth, the potential energy equals to mgh and kinetic energy equals to half mv square. Kinetic energy, this is write as of mv square r. To multiply mass and divide the mass, its value of mv square into m upon m. This kinetic energy write as p square upon 2m. This is kinetic energy equals to p square upon 2m it is. So this is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is dot product of, it is write as of m into v bar dot product it is. So velocity dot product, that is indicates kinetic energy. Okay, of m into v bar, that is kinetic energy. But kinetic energy p square upon 2m, always kinetic energy positive, always it is positive. And potential energy, it is पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव both values are possible, and zero be possibilities. And infinite position, at infinite position we consider potential energy always it is zero. And when a body at rest, kinetic energy becomes zero when body at rest. This depends upon kinetic energy or potential energy, both depends upon frame of reference. Frame of reference. Depends upon. So depends upon frame of reference. So how? So this is one person in a vehicle. So person is at rest in the vehicle. When vehicle in motion, with respect to vehicle, the kinetic energy of the person becomes zero. With respect to vehicle, with respect to either car or bus, with respect to vehicle, the person kinetic energy becomes zero. With respect to earth, the person having kinetic energy K is of mv square. So that means with respect to earth of mv square. With respect to the vehicle, that value 0. That means this kinetic energy or potential energy both depends upon frame of reference. Frame of reference. So frame of reference changes, then the values are changes. So with respect to the vehicle, kinetic energy 0. With respect to earth, kinetic energy of mv square. So this is the kinetic energy, energy possessed by body when it is in motion. Energy possessed by body when it is at certain height. This is potential and kinetic energies. The sum of potential and kinetic energy, that is the total mechanical energy. Total mechanical energy, this is write as potential energy plus kinetic energy. This is, find the percentage change in kinetic energy. If the momentum increases by 10%, kinetic energy and momentum, kinetic energy write as of mv square. It is nothing but, in terms of momentum, its value becomes m square v square. This is p square, linear momentum square upon 2m. Kinetic energy equals to p square upon 2m. Kinetic energy directly proportional to p square when mass remains constant. Mass remains constant, body mass is no change. Then kinetic energy directly proportional to p square. They are given that initially the momentum P1 equals to P. When momentum increases by 10%, 10% P plus 10% of P. Its value nothing but P plus 10 by 100 P. It is 110 upon 100 P. This is final momentum. P2 is write as 110 by 100 P. So you know that kinetic energy and momentum Ke2, final kinetic energy upon initial kinetic energy, it is write as P2 square upon P1 square. its value becomes Ke2 upon Ke1. Its value becomes, so this is P2 square. P2 square means it is 10, 11 by 10 P whole square upon P whole square it is. P2 upon P1. P2 by P1. Its value becomes Ke2 upon Ke1. It is write as 121 by 100. We want percentage change. Percentage change means change in kinetic energy by initial kinetic energy. नीचे कभी भी initial होना चाहिए. Then it is write as change in kinetic energy. This is both side Ke2 upon Ke1 minus 1. Its value equals to 121 by 100 minus 1. Its value is write as Ke2 minus Ke1 upon Ke1. Its value equals to 121 minus 100, that is 21 by 100. Its value becomes Ke2 minus Ke1, that is delta Ke upon Ke into 100. Its value becomes 21%. Delta Ke upon Ke into 100 equals to 21%. This is change in kinetic energy. Same kinetic energy. Equal opposing force acts on both vehicles. Equal opposing force acts on both vehicles. Find the ratio of displacements. So ratio of displacements, when finally both comes rest. Finally comes rest. Finally right. Here lorry and car moving with same kinetic energy. Lorry and car both moving with the same kinetic energy. This is. So both moving with the same kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy is same, Ke1, that is E. This one also same kinetic energy, Ke1. This is also same. Initial kinetic energy becomes same. Equal opposing force is acting. Equal force, opposing force is acting here. Equal opposing force acting here. Then, what is the displacements ratio? Suppose the displacement of lorry is S1, displacement of car S2. S1 and S2 are the displacement. Finally, lorry also comes rest. Finally, car also comes rest. Final kinetic energy is same. Using the theorem, work energy theorem. You know that work energy theorem, just the work done equals to change in kinetic energy. Work done equals to W equals to F into S. F write as MA into S. Acceleration is write as V square minus U square by 2S. This is acceleration for the third kinematical equation. V square minus U square equals to 2S. Using that relation, if S is cancelled, then work done equals to half mv square minus half mu square. Change in kinetic energy, Ke final minus Ke initial. This is called work done it is. Using this principle, work done equals to change in kinetic energy, Ke final minus Ke initial. Using this principle, we find out here. This case, if initial kinetic energies are same, so finally comes rest. Then work done equals to W equals to F into S, force into displacement lorically. So lorry F into S1. That is write as Ke2 minus Ke1. Ke2 is write as 0 minus Ke1, that is E. This is work done is equals to Ke final minus Ke initial. So its value F_S1 equals to 0 minus E. Same as in car, F_S2, this is equals to 0 minus E. So both conditions, this is also Fs1 equals to minus C, and this is also Fs2, that is also minus C. Then its value equals to S1 and S2, both values, S1 is equals to S2, using these two equations. So Fs1 is equals to Fs2, S1 equals to S2, where we want the ratio S1 upon S2, 1:1. If initial kinetic energies are same, S1 is to S2 equals to 1:1. If the momentums are same, suppose in above question, the momentums are same, kinetic energies are not same, yeah, the same kinetic energies are given, but same momentum is given. Same momentums are given. This condition, what happened? This is one special condition. So same momentum, kinetic energy placement momentum is same given. That condition, this is write as F into S, work done equals to change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus P square upon 2 into M. Its value equals to F into S, that is equals to minus P square by 2M. If momentum is same force, same momentum, displacement proportional to 1 by M. This is the special condition it is. If same momentum, that condition, momentum same, force same. S proportional to 1 by M. This condition, the ratio of displacement S lorry upon displacement of car, it is equals to mass of car upon mass of lorry. So this is the displacement ratio, S inversely proportional to M it is. So this is write as S1 by S2, M2 by M1. S1 by S2, it is write as M2 upon